Oh god. Whoa! Shit. Big rock. You alright? Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Fucking trees. Darcy coat. You smell. Hey guys. It's along that stream. Is that still recording?
How do I tell if it's filming?
Is it flashing?
Don't flash.
It does.
It's not flashing.
Yeah, we're recording now. You just dive in front.
Hang on, hang on.
We're beautifully quiet in the wilderness of Portugal. Give us a wave, Matt.
Yeah.
Matt Lane behind, coming down on a baller bike.
Just steady.
That looks really gash if you go in there.
Steady Eddie.
Go on, bruv, go on, bruv. Yay! Down into, no, just down into the pivot turn.
I'm gonna pivot. I can't, can I?
Why not?
I'm down, bro.
Alright, oh, that was just as good, to be fair. Yeah. Nicely done. The 2020's down.
Technically, that's the best. Because I've not had to turn it.
Nah, you are going to have to now, though.
No way.
Nah, no, you're all good there, aren't you, love? Do you want a hand?
Yeah, please. I think that's the best riding.
Right, straight in front wheel the other way. Straight in front wheel the other way. Put the other way, the front wheel the other way!
Oh, that's my clutch. Sorry.
That's a river.
Is it?
Yeah. You right there, MJ? Oh no. That's right, Justin, he's already on video, mate.
Go on, Josh, get it on camera. the WR.
Oh no. Oh no.
To the rescue.
Go on, brother, put her down.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. There's loads of grip.
Into the boot.
Go on, hang on, hang on. Everyone move.
Just wait for him. I want a clear run. Fuck it. Fucking hell, that was shit. Yeah.
I think I'm going to go round.
No, you're going up here. Not that bad. Come on, okay. Man up. Yeah. Let's get on with it. Whoa! Don't get down there. Tommy Verrill, X-Ron 2019. Oh, his back end's gone now too. Oh, like a champ. Woo! Oh, get the bike off me. My hip. Oh, fuck. I got it. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Oh, fuck. Oh, I gotta love that third gear.
Nice. Everyone knew better than me, so they don't... I got it on camera!
What a shit idea that was.